Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new, please remember to hit that subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot. As well, thank you so much to all my subscribers for watching. You're amazing! I've got a new ring light happening and I don't know how I feel about it. I look a bit pale. Don't mind my hair, I was at the beach today, so I'm looking a little disheveled, but I couldn't wait any longer because for my birthday, Connor got me a Apple Watch, so I'm gonna open it with you and do like an unboxing for the Apple Watch SE. The main thing for me is just keeping up a healthy lifestyle. I know a few of my friends who have it. They said it literally like kickstarted their exercise and like just fitness and overall healthy living. So I'm excited to open it and start using it. And I'll also show you a few different bands that you could wear with it. So let's get to it. So Connor paid like the extra amount for it to be wrapped. So if you pay for wrapping from Apple, this is what it's going to look like. Little red band. And then this box. Oh, it's like, that's the wrapping paper. To be honest, I feel like we got ripped off. It just feels like cardboard. You know, when you think wrapping paper, you're thinking like, you know, a birthday, you're opening up wrapping paper. This is just cardboard, so I think I would give it a miss if I were you. This is the box. Apple Watch. On the back it says the gold aluminum case. So I got that one, the SE, and then I ended up going with the Solo Loop in white, which should be interesting because I do a lot of self-tan, but hey ho, it'll work. Looks like I just pull this. Oh, that's really convenient. I didn't have to get any scissors out. You open it like this. Quite cool, different watch colors and bands, which is nice. And then you get two boxes in there. I'm assuming one for the band and for the actual Apple Watch. So let's just see what the band looks like. So like I said, I ended up going with the Solo Loop. You can see that there. You had to measure your wrist because for convenience, it's just meant to like slip on. It doesn't have like a watch strap thing where you can pick your size. So hopefully this will fit me. Oh, everything's so super cool. There's like loads of arrows and it tells you like where you should open it from. So that's great. Pull this out. Loving the packaging so far. Super easy to use and open. Some instructions. And there is the band itself. So I got the white. That was super cool. You just like, oh. To be honest, right now, this is looking a bit big. So I'm a little concerned this isn't going to fit my wrist. So maybe it wasn't a good call on my end to get the Solo Loop. Oh well, we'll try it out. We'll see. Then the main event. I'm so excited for this. I've seen a few other YouTube videos because I'm a nerd like that and I watch different colors and people unboxing there. So I'm a little excited for this. Here we are. So excited. Some instructions in here that I'm not going to read at the moment. And it looks like this is the charging wire. It looks like you attach your Apple Watch to that little thing there. And then the main event. This is it here. It comes in like really nice packaging. I do really like this color. I think it's going to go really well with my skin color. That's what I wanted. When I picked this color, I wanted it to blend a bit more to my skin because I'm not too keen where it looks like a big like gadget watch thing. I just wanted it to be more stylish. I'm going to try to attach it to that Solo Loop. This is probably where you should read the instructions, but is what it is. We'll figure it out. I think we've got it. Well, that was simple. So now it's on. That's what it looks like. If you are thinking of getting the gold SE, then that's what it looks like with the white band. Not bad, can't complain. Like, I probably won't be wearing this band anyways. Then I'm gonna put it on. This is what I wanted. I just wanted to be able to just put it on and go. So it does fit a bit loose on me, which is not good because if I'm gonna wear it working out, this is not what I want. So a bit upsetting that it doesn't fit. These are probably worth like £50 each. Like you can see there, when I measured myself, it said I should go with this size and it does not work. So if you're getting a Solo Loop, maybe rethink it and get the one where you could like actually put it in the holes like a proper watch strap. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I've just turned it on. It's taking a little while to load. Oh, saying something Apple Watch. Apple Watch to phone. I've just run and got my phone, so it's like come up on my phone now. So I'm gonna click continue. Oh, God, this is hard to do, 2 things at once. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch, restoring. So we wait. The reason why I got the SE rather than the Series 6 or the third one for me, I just wanted something a bit newer. They're saying they might phase out some updates, so I thought might as well spend like an extra, I think it was an extra £70. And I didn't want to spend like £400 on a watch, so yeah, that's why I got the SE. And that's my honest answer. I don't really know loads. Oh my God. Just got it and I just dropped it. So I'm just gonna set it up here and then I will come back to you. Right, so while I was doing it, I thought I might as well just show you what it is asking me to do. So please continue to set up on the iPhone. So it says the wrist preference. I'm gonna wear it on my left because I use my right hand. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. Some terms and conditions, and I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not gonna read it all, so agree. Hopefully there's nothing in there that signs my life away, but we'll take a chance. Oh God, my screen is really dirty. And that's what it looks like. It's still done nothing. Don't mind my fake tan. I fake tanned for my birthday, so I'm looking a little Oompa Loompa-y. I'm interested to see how many steps I actually do now, because I always would just look on my health app on my phone, and I don't know how accurate that is because like I don't walk around everywhere with my phone. So it's asking me now to put in a passcode, so I'm going to create a passcode. Oh, apparently my code can be easily guessed. No, I'm going to use it. That's saying something about activity. My God, my screen is so dirty. Heart rate. Notifications, so if my heart's going a bit crazy, it'll let me know, I guess. Emergency SOS, you can press and hold the side button to call emergency services. Amazing, I'm glad that has that. I feel safer already. Install available apps, yeah, install all. Apple Watch is syncing, so it's doing a little thinky think right now. So when it's set up, I will come back on. Right, so it now says your watch is ready, press the digital crown, so I'm assuming that's this. Oh, it says update complete. So that's what it gives you to look at, but I know you can change the screen and I'll probably figure that out. There's probably like apps for you to do that on, so I'll do that. That's all the apps that it loaded for me. I didn't choose any of them, they just like came like that. But yeah, so that's the Apple Watch SE. Also, side note, with the gold, I was really worried it was going to look pink because I'm not like a huge pink person. I can say it's not pink. It's like a rose gold with not a lot of pink in it. So if you want this color, don't be concerned that it's going to be too pink. So I've got 2 other straps that I wanted. I'll link the straps below, so if you want to buy them, you can. But the first strap is this Louis Vuitton one. Oh my God, so it's a repurposed Louis Vuitton strap. They said they use like material from the bags that they had and then make them into watches. So I'm really excited for this one. So this is what it looks like. I got the rose gold buckle thing. Inside it says Louis Vuitton, so I don't know, that makes me a bit like, is it real or not? Look at that. Oh, I love it. And then if I could just get my screen to look a little bit nicer, it's gonna look like more of a watch you would wear rather than like a fitness watch, which that's what I want. So I am in love with this. And I asked the guy as well if he could put extra holes in because my wrist is quite small, and he did, so it fits amazing. And I've got a little bit of extra fabric, but you can just move this over and that'll like keep that down. This is what sold me on this color, and I'm so glad I picked it. Literally, this is going to be the one that I probably keep on all the time. Next one is like the Milanese loop one that they have on Apple for like £200-300, but I got this on Amazon for like £8 or £9, something like that, maybe a little bit more. But I got this in, I think I got it in champagne gold. I don't know, I have to go back into my Amazon purchases. I'll link it down below so you know exactly the one that I got. This is what that looks like, and it's magnetic, so that's really convenient if you want to put it on quick. You don't have to like put it on as like with a watch sort of thing. So I'm gonna put this on and I can show you what that one looks like. This is what the Milanese loop looking one looks like. I think that looks very, very nice. It matches really well with the color of my watch, and it's super simple to get on. It's literally just magnetic and you just go and it's on. It feels really comfortable and light, like it doesn't feel like you have anything on. So absolutely love this one. Good find. Do not waste your money on Apple and buy their Milanese loop one, whatever it's called. Literally just go on Amazon and you'll see thousands of different styles which are like way cheaper. But if you want to spend the money on Apple, then go ahead. But it's a pretty good dupe, I think. So overall, I'm really happy and excited with this watch. I am like a beginner with this, so if you have any tips on some cool apps that I need to download or anything, let me know. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you all next Sunday. Have a good week. Bye!